Hello everyone. In this video we'll be discussing about uterine fibroid, uterine myomas, or what commonly we call uterine tumors. What are uterine tumors? Actually these tumors are a growth or excessive growth of the uterine muscle. So they could be single or multiple in the uterus. But the question is, are all uterine fibroids causing female infertility? The answer is no. So if you get a report of ultrasonography showing a uterine fibroid in your uterus, don't get panic. Try to get a consultation with a fertility specialist to know is the tumor or the tumors affecting your fertility, and then have a discussion regarding the fertility enhancing surgery to get removed of these tumors. So in this video we are trying to discuss about the fertility enhancing surgery regarding uterine myomas. So how these uterine myomas affect your fertility? These tumors actually distort the part of natural conception. So during the process of fertilization, when the part is distorted, the implantation of pregnancy is hampered because of these tumors. The chances of conception and after conception, the chances of miscarriages rate is increased. So in this procedure of laparoscopic myomectomy, we make a few pinholes in your abdomen, and through those pinholes we could remove a very large tumor or multiple tumors, cutting the fibroid into strips and removing them through the holes as strips of tissue. Now if you ask me the advantages of this procedure, so with this procedure we could discharge the patient in 24 hours as there is minimal or no blood loss. There are no stitches in your abdomen as we don't cut the abdomen, because with only the pinholes we are removing the tumor. Second, as the part of distortion, the part of fertility is cleared, so natural conception is possible within 3 to 6 months. Also, the rate of miscarriage is severely reduced after the surgery. As the blood loss is very minimal, so the symptoms of weakness or dizziness after the operation is very less. So if you want to know more about the laparoscopic myomectomy, you can surely contact us. We will try to help you. Thank you.